Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you a very yummy and fast recipe. So guys, these are all the ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. We are going to prepare potato with salmon fish. In Italian we call it salmone. So this fish is so tasty and so good. So I want to prepare this simple recipe. So as you can see, we have salmon, we have potato, we have onions, we have tomatoes, parsley, olive oil, salt, garlic, and black pepper. These are the few ingredients we are going to use. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all that have subscribed to my channel. Wow, I'm so happy and I'm so glad. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. And also, if this is your first time in this channel, what are you waiting for? So before you leave, just hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can join this wonderful family, so we can cook together, chat together, share our ideas together. So guys, now let's get started. guys, this is the end of this video. I want to say a very warm thank you to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. I'm so happy and I'm glad. Please guys, continue supporting me. Subscribe, share my video, like my video, leave a comment, and also hit the notification bell. So as you can see, this is the recipe. It's so fast to do and so easy, and most especially for those that want to diet, this is so good for them. There is anything fat here? Nothing is fat. The potato, the fish, everything is just okay for you guys. If you want to make a diet, you can prepare this recipe. It's so good. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And if this is your first time, before you leave, guys, don't forget to subscribe, but make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a video. I love you all guys, and I'm going to miss you, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.